And the two people in the back say, don't look on it, right? Morning neighbors, how you doing? How's it been going so far? It's early on the Monday morning. Of course, Hannah's gone from about 5ish. All the children up from after 7. And it just feels extra hectic this morning. Believe you me. I'm going to show you why. Say morning neighbors.
Morning neighbors.
You see them hand? You see the marker on them hand already? And it's just how your hand messed up, baby? You make it beautiful, alright. Then of course this is Eden here with her. Look at Eden's face. What you have in your mouth? Tissue? Cheese and peas. She used the marker. It is a non-toxic marker nonetheless, but she take one of Leila and Zahra's markers. Marker per mouth, don't laugh with me. And her nose. Ava, any trouble you up to from morning? She just threw this after me. But apart from that, this one in the background, let me show you her in the background. This one right here, she has a meeting at 10 o'clock that she needs to be preparing for. She's eating breakfast now. And we had this grand idea of reconfiguring her meeting area. And yeah, her workspace. And when you finish, realized that the computer decided to not cooperate. So are there any technicians in the neighborhood? Let me show you what the problem is, and you can try to, you know, do your assessment from there and let me know what the solution is. Come on. And then now the breakfast look like it starts, you know, get too colorful. Yeah, trying to do too many things at one time. But it can save. It have a nice color still. It's not burn beyond recognition. But of course, I had to be one guy who just, you know, oh gosh. This can't eat. That one I can't eat. Alright, you're out. But it has been that kind of a morning. Just bouncing from wall to wall, area to area, trying to move this, fix this, keep control of this. Tina have everything preparing for and all that, but it's still a beautiful day regardless, because we're alive. We can see, we can smell, we can taste the burn up food. If anything burn up, but God is still good and it's still something. We still have a whole if we give thanks for. So I hope your week has been going great. I hope you have seized the first 2 days so far in the week and that you are focusing on the positives, you know, recalibrating your perspective to see the possibilities, the opportunities, the good side of your situation. All right. And now for this computer. So we reconfigured the living room so that we could, it's normally turned around here so that we could watch TV from there. But we turned everything around so that Tina could have the wall as her background. But after we did all of that fixing up and adjustment, hard disk error. Please run the hard disk test. So then say go F2 and then go to hard drive check. We already did the quick check, so we're now going to have to do the extensive check. Honestly, this keeps happening, so we're either going to have to buy a hard drive and replace it, or we're going to have to buy a hard drive and replace it. Yeah, we're going to have to buy a hard drive because it happens every couple of months where it says that hard drive disk error, and we really don't want it to happen one day when we need it and we can't just do what we need to do. So this also needs to be sorted out sometime today to start getting the prices and all that so that we can know what we have to do.
Morning, neighbors. So I have a meeting this morning and I am now just sitting down to get set up for my meeting. So yeah, it's hot, I'm sweating like a pig. Our meeting is about to start in about 7 minutes, so I'm gonna get set up. But in the meanwhile, I'm looking at this computer screen and it has chosen the most inopportune time to crash. So I'm gonna have to just connect to the meeting via my phone and then see what happens. What do you do when life gives you lemons? Make lemonade. Meeting is about to start.
And that's pretty much how the day went. Tina got to get her work going. I got going with mine. And don't even begin to imagine what was going on with the kids at this time. All 4 of them were, boy, that's a different story. But we waited through the day until a new day came. So I decided to start my morning earlier, as in start doing things earlier. And just ease into my day today instead of how things went down yesterday. And so this is me just taking a breath before we're getting into the day. What an amazing God, man. Look at this. Everything is blooming, you know. Everything is blooming. So I'm sure I know that today will be a calmer start to the morning. Yeah. I know I'm ready. Let's get the day started. So I also got that today is Women's Day. And Hannah don't want to show you herself, but I'm going to show you her afterwards. So I kind of threw this together. This is probably how big my pants was when I was going to school. Because this needs to go to tailor like urgently. But 6 from apart with my afro haircut. So finish the look with my blazer. With the crest. Actually, Hannah's tie, so I don't want to mess it up too much. But this will do the trick. I look like I'm going to school again, right? What do you think?
Yes, you do. You look like a 6 former. You look like a 6 former.
Look like a 6 former, right? I mean, my tie would have been neat, so this feel very skinny. It's like a skinny tie.
It is a skinny tie.
That's intentional? They have different type of tie?
Well, I don't know what that's the tie that I wear of a girl's school.
Yeah, this feels similar to what I normally wear, but it gets the job done. My jacket's still, it's basically still fitting me. Which means it was huge when it was huge when I actually got it. So I would have been swimming in it. More snug now. So, hey you, detention. Yeah, I think I could actually rock this. For most of the day today, I'm going to be wearing my old man's blazer. This will get me in a better mood. And here's Hannah for her Women's Day clothing. Oh, this is the rules, no, nothing too complicated.
No. And the tie.
Oh, let me give you back your tie. Are you going to show them your bag?
Yes.
Okay. So on top of it being Women's Day, it's also anything but a bag day. And so Hannah will show you what is a trend on social media where the students are able to bring their books and their pencils, whatever they bring to school, in anything but a bag. Now let's see what Hannah's anything but a bag is for today.
This is my bag.
So this is Hannah's bag today. And let me see what is in your bag. Wow. Mask, phone, pen. So you don't need any book today?
Nope. No classes.
No classes today, so Hannah has a pizza and she'll bring that as her bag. I hope you can. And you get to be comfortable walking around with it like that?
Yeah.
We'll really hear how it goes later. So Hannah is off to school already, but look who is up. It's not even 6 o'clock yet, and who is up? Eva, say hi. Eva, say hi. And Eden is also up. Edie, say hi. Edie, say hi. You don't go to Ulmas yet, but maybe one day, okay? Maybe one day, babies. So I've decided to challenge myself to wear this jacket for the entire day. But there's only one problem. It's extremely hot. Like extremely hot. Right, Zaza? Feeling hot? You feeling hot, Leila? Feel hot?
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
A pecker.
A pecker? Okay, that's one way to look at it. Tell the neighbors good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, but the day is extremely hot, but I'm going to try to hold out in the jacket because I'm ripping from Wilmer's. Just look how much this one is sweating. Come here, come here. No, come here. You see? You see the sweat? It's extremely hot today. Eden, are you sweaty? Yes, I think you're sweaty too, baby. Just there. It's just an extremely hot day. Aye. But I'm going to try to hold out in the name of Wilmer's. Big up all Wilmerians in the neighborhood. If you never go Wilmer's, still big up yourself. Maybe next time, while your children you could go there and you taste the greatness of what is the Wilmer's quality, right? Are you managing the heat?
I'm not. I'm having a migraine. I just take 2 Panadol and I'm afraid of JPS and them light bill, but I'm going to go and turn on the AC in the room right now. I cannot manage. I'm not managing this heat.
Sure? Sure you want that?
Well, you are the one who see the light bill when it come. I can just play ignorance, feign ignorance. Just don't tell me about it. I'll get another headache just knowing what it is.
So how do you feel about the fact that you didn't go to Woolman's? Feel bad? I said give me another headache right now. Alright, I understand. Another headache. Alright.
Listen,
you have to understand the people. Everybody never went to certain caliber of high schools. And so you have to understand she already feeling not so hot today. So I won't rub it in. But
big up all C down massive or camper down, Solom, Optima, Pitenda, Sunt. All the best is good enough, baby.
And the 2 people in the back say, go over there, right?
Look here.
I'm sure there's like 2 people in the back going like, hey.
And I bet there is none.
But
I bet there isn't.
let me hear the women's people say, give me a W, give me a O, give me a L. You never hear it straight. Give me a M. This is Mr. Sankofa. Give me a E. Give me a R. Please for the apostrophe. Oh, it's on Champs time. Give me a S. Trust me, Woolmer's people, just big up the school in the comments because people have to know the caliber of a Woolmer. We don't have nothing of the hyper, but we know quality.
Red and blue, we say.
We know quality, right? So we're quietly confident people. So just let the people in the back know what time it is, alright? And I'm going to be wearing this all day. You see me start it already, but
you this for mono.
How is everything got a bad day?
And the carry this with me, really.
So what you did? You left it in the
I put all my stuff in my friend's bag and it's in the classroom, yes.
Why, you sure to carry pizza box?
No, not these people had worse things. Rihanna had, you know those, what that name? The rugby thing? You know the rugby table?
Rugby?
No, not
table.
rugby. What that name? That game.
Ping pong?
No.
What?
And it's like, it's a board table and it has the 4 Jamaica flags at the
Ludo.
Is that?
Ludi.
Oh. I heard, yeah.
She brought a Ludo table as her bag?
Yeah.
Well, that's a good idea actually. You could play. So to play Ludi?
No. She had her books on spinach. She had it like barred up so that nothing would come out.
Seriously? So only have a Ludi table and don't play Ludi? Only must have a Ludi table and don't play Ludi?
I mean, it is school.
Well, I mean, if there's no school, what do you do? So where you gone? Come back out. Let's take a picture. And bring your box.
Ooh. Alright, no more mangoes. Woolman's Day mango. Alright, no more mangoes, guys. I'll show you any more mangoes. So you know how to go for my anything whatever, guys?
Hold on. Let me.
Anything but a shoes, anything but a bag.
Let me get this. What is this, Mr. Reed? What is this? What is this?
Man, I wish I had this in my time. Because I'd surely enjoy this day.
But they had Woolman's Day during your time, no?
Woolman's Day, anything but a bag day. Whoever came up with this should be given a Nobel Peace Prize.
Let me see anything but a bag.
So this, it looks like an igloo, but it's multifunctional. Inside, it has a lot of space to hold pencils, pens, hardcover books. And the best thing about it, it can be also a seat. Anything but a bag, it can be a seat. It can be many things. It's very versatile, actually.
Okay.
So I think you can decide who you think has a better anything.
Who has a better
bag.
anything but a bag? Let me get some good.
It's carried fashionably. So
Right.
you can turn this that. Or you can. See, so it works.
Right.
If you want the cat on your head as well, it's very versatile.
Oh no, let's not do that.
The versatility, it's.
Let me see again.
Which one?
The on the head.
There's on the shoulder.
Right.
On the other shoulder.
Right.
There's on the arm.
Oh my.
It's extremely versatile. It comes in blue, red, and typically orange.
Okay.
Right.
On the head and on the head.
On the head, okay.
Oh, you said there was a way to do it on the head.
On the head.
Right.
Balance. Alright, let's not try that.
Let's not. Okay, so here we have
Mr.
Woolman's
himself.
alumnus and
Shirley Woolman.
current President Woolmarian.
Anything but a bag. Let's go, the photo shoot.
The photo shoot edition.
So,
I should get you guys on against a plain background. I go look closer now.
we're good, man. No, but you have to show the pizza. And it should be put on the other side.
See if you can tilt it down a bit, Hannah.
I'll show the pizza first.
Well, I guess it doesn't matter. But maybe get a pizza. You should add Pizza Hut. You should add Pizza Hut. Smile properly, Hannah. What's the teeth? Yay, nice. Oh, so nice.
You getting me?
Of course I get it. What do you mean? I mean, I get your igloo too. It's just something I get to the foot.
Don't get that.
Not foot, but you don't know. Okay. Alright, let me give a different angle here so now. Hold on now. Maybe not. Maybe not open yours. Ta-ta-da-da! Alright.
So neighbors, I mean, today was a better day than yesterday. Yesterday was very hectic, but we made it through. And today, Tuesday, you know, we'll have a little vibe to the Woolman's Day. Not everybody in the house was as fortunate to go to this great school, so you have to church these days. You know, you make them feel away on these days, you know, because you didn't get to. But anyway, neighbors, it's been good. Hope you have a great rest of the week until we see you again. And you don't know, it's Paul, the sixth former sub-prefect, prefect, head boy. I could go in Woolmarch tomorrow, you know, and they'll be like, who is this new youth?
Yeah.
But you know, thank God for my youthfulness. See you soon, and big up from me and the whole Marian household. Bye.